So we just showing you guys how to make slime because why not? I've been making slime for a long time. So I've been making slime for like the past month or 2 weeks, and so I'm showing you guys how to make it. And so without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and by the way, my slime that I showed you guys is huge, but it's actually pretty small, like how if you make it with a bottle, with one bottle, because I did what I did in this video twice to make it that big. So sorry if you're like, oh, I really wanted to make it that big of slime. All you have to do is get 2 things of glue, and then like just like do the thing that I did in here with just 1 thing of glue, and then do the other same thing separate though, and smash it together, and then you got the glue I made. So yeah, anyways, now let's get started. Okay, so what you need is Elmer's glue, school glue. That's what I'm using. I don't know if you can use it without the glue. Anyways, you're using soap also. And then you're also going to use a shaving cream to make it fluffy. I use this kind of shaving cream. I don't know if you have to use a different kind of shaving cream, but yeah. And then I used borax. And I used a bowl to mix it in. And then I used a spoon. And so right now you're pouring all your glue in, all the glue in that one thing into the bowl. So you have to pour all of it to make this, to make it big. And there it is. And then you used shaving cream, and then you put a lot. Here, I had to move the camera, so like you put a lot. Sorry if you can't really see it, but you put as much as you want to make it, because this is what makes it fluffy. And so if you want it to be fluffy, then that's how much you want to do. And I did this much, as you can see. And so you can do as much as you want. And yeah. Okay, so now you're gonna mix all that up, and then it will look like that. And it's actually fun to mix with that. Anyways, so now you put your soap. I put 3 in here. You can put more than 3. It's just that I put 3. And then you mix that together too. And so I just stirred it until I can like barely see the soap, and then it's just going to be good. And then what you do next is if you want to color, this is what you would do right now. You would put the 2 colors in, and I'm putting red and yellow mixed together, and it makes the color that I made, which is like kind of pink. So I did 2 drops of each color, and then I just mixed it together, and it's really cool how it mixes. I don't know why, I think it's cool what it is. And then it makes it look like that. And then you can use 1 cup. You're using 1 cup of water, and then you're gonna get borax, and you get a teaspoon of that. And sorry for using a weird kind of teaspoon thing, but yeah, anyway, so now you're gonna mix that warm water and the teaspoon together, and you're just gonna keep on mixing that with the glue or slime that you made so far. So just add a little bit at a time, and then stir it together, and a little bit, and then stir it, and then a little bit, and then stir it until you have no more water left. And so once you do that, it will get the slime consistency, which makes it like go together. It makes all the thing that you made go together, and then it makes slime. And it's so cool because I love how it makes it. And it's so fascinating. And so I'm just using like this glue cap to mix it because I didn't have anything else to mix it with. And so yeah, just keep mixing it. Okay, so as you can see, my thing has moved into slime, and I knew that because it was sticking to my and so what you need to do once you have the consistency of slime and everything has its bit is you take it all out, and it's going to be wet, and you're going to have leftover water, and what you do with the water is you just dump it out. And anyway, so you just need to knead it, which means like play with it a little bit if you didn't know what that means. And then you're just going to keep on doing that, and it's really sticky at the moment, but then you're going to make sure your hands look dirty, and then once you mix once you knead it more, then it gets unsticky and then it just takes all the mess you have on your hands off. And which is really helpful because then you don't have to wash your hands, but you still have to wash your hands up.